Seeing some of the other artists doing this, and I'm going to try it myself. It's basically where they take our milk moisturizer and you take your whatever your regular highlight color is, you mix it together and make a BB cream. So I'm about to try that right now as we speak. So you guys will be trying this with me. I'm scared because I never did it before. I didn't even pull all my stuff together. Like, I probably should have had something to pull it out with, like to scoop it out with. I guess I'll use my finger. So I'm going to use, I'll use Icon. Oh, my unicorn slippers. Oh, I love those things too. Thank you. I'm going to use this color Icon right here. I'll just scoop some up with my fingernail. So like that much. Let's see what that does. Actually, I'll get a little bit more. So that much. And then I'm going to pump that out. This is like a pump on top. Scrape that off. Put it on the back of this hand. And put this on with it. And then I'm going to mix them together. And we're going to see what it's going to do for us. So since I'm limited on time. And I can't really... I wasn't smart enough to pull my tools together before we got started. Oh, I can use the broken side of my brush. Okay, hold on. And mix it all together. And try to make a BB cream with my milk moisturizer and my foundation. And then see what kind of finish that gives me. Okay, I think I mixed it up enough. That's as mixed as I'm going to get it. So, whatever is right there, I'm just going to rub it on my face. Alright. So I'm going to take my favorite brush. Actually, I'm going to see what it does with, no. This one. Make up your mind, Shirley. I'm going to use this one, but on the fat side. Alright, let's see what we end up with here. So I'm going to dot it all over my face first. Before we got started, I sprayed my face with a mattifying primer because I'm just for the matte life lately. So, you know what? I could actually probably do this almost every day because sometimes I like the way liquid looks compared to cream. Sometimes, not all the time. And I just gave my product more life. What? Y'all, do you see this? It's space. I just made my own, like, BB cream or something. I don't know what the difference is between BB and CC, but I just... Wow. I actually like that a lot. So I'm going to get whatever is on my hand, which isn't much. No, I'm not wearing my unicorn slippers right now. I'm actually about to take my son to football practice. That's why I don't have that much time to do this. But I wanted to do something with my face because I do intend to get out the car this time and go to, well, I'm going to drop him off and go grocery shopping because it's the only time I have available in my busy schedule. And if I do not go today, like literally we just ate the last leftovers from the 4th of July. Who still has leftovers from the 4th of July? Ours are all gone. Like tonight's dinner plates, all gone. I like that. And I did it in less than 6 minutes. How about that? Less than 5 minutes. So I still have 10 minutes to do all the other stuff to my face. Hi, Smiley. Hi, That Family 5. Hi, Analytic. All right. So that is literally everything. I just took our milk moisturizer and mixed it with my base highlight color. That's just the one color that goes with all, you know, your skin, which was Icon. Mixed it together on my hand just now. And now I have like kind of, in my opinion, it's like not a super duper full coverage, but it's like, you know, put together. I'll probably, please DM me at some point. I'd like to talk about your, you know. Okay, so I'm going to, I did not wet this like I should have before we got started. So, but I still wanted to kind of get rid of, if there's any moisture or anything like that, like too much, like get rid of it. There we go. Around my eyes. Okay, so next I'm going to take this brush because I'm not doing any like highlighting, or actually, let's just see what kind of mischief I can do with it. I got, trying to see the time on my computer. I can't. Gonna take mango and this much of it on this brush and go right here and here only, because I'm literally just going to be sitting in the car after I go to the grocery store, so I'm not trying to do entirely too much here, just enough. 4:52. Okay, I still have a little bit of time, a very little bit. Oh, and I had already done my brows before I came on here with you guys. I actually did them earlier. So earlier, I was supposed to have a podcast interview, and the lady canceled, and so I still have on my lashes, but I didn't get to do my makeup. So I guess it's because she canceled, because I didn't get to do anything to my actual face before then. Okay, so I'm fine with what I got going on right there for right now. I'm going to do my normal contour, I guess, since I have time. I was thinking I wouldn't have enough time to, so like normal, this brush and indigo right here. But I think I'm going to do something different. Like, I don't know that I'm going to do, I don't know if I'll do blush. Should I or shouldn't I? Depends on how much time I have left. So how many of you are still eating on your, no one answered, how many people are still eating on their 4th of July leftovers, or did you kill them all already? Blending up on the sides. You always want to blend contour up. Whatever residue I have from when I applied my, not concealer, but when I applied my homemade BB cream earlier, I'm just going to go through and kind of blend the contour lines out with that. Just want a little bit more of whatever's left on that brush I used earlier for my highlight. Doing that right now. I really just don't do it. No one's even watching, so you don't have to. There are a lot of people watching. Thought I tricked them. Well, since you're over here, go wet this for me. Here. Thank you. Squeeze it out good, please. So, well, if that's done, I just like how, so if you did do like the whole, what I call it just now, make your own BB cream thing with the milk moisturizer mixed with your highlight color, I actually love that finish a lot. Thank you, honey. This is blending it into my skin. Whatever product is not settled, this will do that for you. If it's wet, that is. All right, so I'm going to do my blush, and I'm not going to use, did I bring my other blushes over here? I didn't. They're in my big one. I kind of don't want to use saffron again today. I want to use something else. I'll be right back. Give me a second. And then back with my big case. Okay, I want to use a different blush. So going to get, I used to use sandstone like a lot, so I think that's what I'm going to try today, right there. I like that. I'm going to put this color Sunshine State on top of it. It's kind of like a shimmery color. And what the heck, why not? And I'm going to use that color as a bit of a highlight as well. Because even though it's not designated as an illuminator, you can use it that way. Because it has that little pretty gold in it, so. There. All right, so I'm going to grab some of the sandstone with my finger. How do y'all like it? Give me some comments, some hearts. So I'm putting sandstone on my lips, same color that is on the cheeks. Hey, Kayla. And then I'm taking that Sunshine State and putting it on my lips too, right on top of it. I personally think it's pretty. So I don't have to do anything else, because like I said, I'm just going to be sitting in the car anyway. I'm going to be sitting in the car, wait for him after I leave the grocery store. So I'm just going to go ahead and set with translucent powder. Just a clear one, or you know what I mean by clear. It's just a Fit Me translucent powder though. I'm just going to take this fat side of this brush and this one. This one I'll use under my eyes. And I'm going to press it in. And then I'll kind of like blend it out a little. And that's it. My whole face is done. I am going to use the Matte Lasting Effects setting powder. Setting powder? Because you spray setting powder. Oh, I didn't do my my eyelids. Let me do my eyelids because literally it's all cream on my eyelids too. So to help with the caking. Now I'm done with that. So now I'm going to set with this matte spray. And I'm going to use this incredible, the color is Incredible by Glow. On the sides only. Hopefully I actually got my face. But I'm done. Let's see how soon. I got done in record time for myself. We started at 4:44 and I'm done at 5:02. And so I'm going to make it to football practice on time. Yay. And with a done face. Yay.